So my friend asked me why did I get rid of my BMW 6 Series and get a 3 Series. So let me explain. I didn't just get any 3 Series. I got the 3 Series that's easily moddable with forged internals, the 2011 335i. Plus I just like the car. And if you look at my previous video, the 6 Series was costing me $1,000 a month to sit in the garage. Even if I decide to sit this thing in the garage, it's only $200 a month, $263 with insurance. What, $300? But really I bought this car to mod it. I kind of been looking at some of the local YouTube videos, and you can mod the hell out of this car for $1,500 with just bolt-ons and easily get 350 to 500 horsepower. Now I don't want 500 horsepower because I just want to keep the car the same. I don't want to stress the turbos. I don't want to really run a lot of boosts or anything like that. I just kind of want to mod it cosmetically, a few engine mods, maybe bump it up to 350, 400 horsepower. I think you can do that safely, and you don't have to do a whole lot of tuning. Might not even have to worry about the air boxes. You can probably just do bolt on exhaust. I don't want to have to go through the whole emission thing, and every time you get your car inspected you got to go find a shop that'll do the quote unquote illegal inspections. I kind of want it to be just a daily driver with just a little more horses. I will not change the rims because I actually like that look. But yeah, I bought it because it wasn't that expensive, even though used car prices are ridiculous. Check out my previous video on that. But yeah, I sold the 6 Series and bought a 3 Series. The 3 Series is really an entry-level car, and this is really, in my opinion, a kid's car. Teenagers buy them and modify them, and I'm damn sure not a teenager. But I like modern cars. I like doing that kind of stuff. Ever since you was in your teens, you probably had a car that you did something to, whether it be cosmetically, the wheels, the exhaust. Same thing here. And fortunately, I got more money than time, so I'm gonna pay somebody to do it, and you could just watch the results. I might do a few of myself. Like I just ordered a spoiler. I am gonna get the 1 or 2 dings that's on the car taken out, and I don't know, I might actually do my own what they call it, paint protection, PPP. I might just do that myself because I've been watching a couple of people do it, so stay tuned. This is the video of me in CarMax waiting for my appointment when I just happened to run up on the car on the lot that I had shipped from California. And this is my first time seeing the car in person other than by video, so check it out. Stick with me as I mod this. I'm not a car channel, but we're gonna do some little mod on this 3 Series. And my next car after this is probably gonna be the Corvette C8. I'm really leaning toward getting that C8 Z06, even if it breaks me. Alright, check out the video. Peace. There's a 3 Series. Oh, is this the one I'm supposed to be getting? I think it is. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. Let me see. I can decide right now. Yeah, I don't think I want it. What the fuck? Yeah, this is it. Dealer warranty, limited warranty with 100% of the labor parts. Of course, this is fair to 90 days or 4,000 miles, whichever comes first. Oh, it's got a warranty on it. Why? Well, not why, but it's clean though. It's a clean car. It is a clean car. I paid $100 though, so I should at least test drive it. The paint don't look too bad, but you can't hardly, it's not even clean. I don't know. It's not terrible. Let's see, 15,998, 335A. It doesn't say it's turbo. 6 cylinders, 3.0. That'd be great if it's not turbo. 46K miles. I should at least test drive it. I mean, I thought I paid $100 for the motherfucker to come down here. It look like that's not paint peeling. That's some kind of, like maybe they had some tape on there, or oh, that look like some extra wax. Yeah, this car's in really good shape. Rims ain't too bad. But this car's in really good shape. This would be a good car for Taylor. Paint's not swirled up too bad. Wax, leftover wax. F11, I can handle that. I don't know, bro. I might have to jump on this. Let me see. Yeah, make them clean it up real good. Let's see, look like what we got here. Look like some bumper damage. Gotta have you in transport. This kind of sucks. typical Beamer using cheap ass shit. This could be Bondo too, or primer. That's one thing you gotta look for, boy. Is primer. Wheels look kind of. We'll be doing some brakes on this one. Pads kind of thick. Tire ain't got much left. I'll at least take it for a ride. What we got here? Audi. Yeah, that car looks good. $31,000. It's a Mercedes Benz. Alright, we'll wait for the guy to. This pandemic, man, I remember time you used to just walk on a car lot. You didn't need no appointment. You just came on, somebody took you out. Hook you up, gave you a ride. This is nice. Right, that's enough. It's too goddamn hot out here. I see some more cars over there I want to look at, but right now I'm going ahead and drink all that goddamn water.